Hello everyone. Our project is the Digital Museum. And myself, Bhavita. My teammates are Kiran, Charishma, and Vinay. Now coming to the introduction of this application. After COVID-19 pandemic, everyone was quarantined and everything was started becoming online, where visiting museums became difficult and unsafe for the users. Idea of this project started from there, and this application will make it possible for the users to visit the museum digitally and follow up on the things they are interested in. The Digital Museum is a museum exhibition platform that utilizes computer and information technology on which cultural relics and historical collections can be preserved and displayed in digital format. It is one of the main outcomes of digital curation. We are replicating a museum experience on a computer and access every digital media of the existing collection of the museum. This will be the solution for people who can't be able to visit the museum physically, and due to this COVID situation from 2020, there is a need for the there is a need for the digital platform for every industry. This project will help to encourage the local culture and helps in building local communities. Now coming to the requirements of our application. There are main goals we focused. Identifying problems in the design of the product or service, uncovering opportunities to improve our application than before, learning about the target users' behavior and preferences in testing, U- usability requirements, learnability, remembering, efficiency, understanding, and user satisfaction. Now, our participants for this testing are 70% from customer service domain between 18 to 48 years old, 20% from business owners between 38 to 55 years old, and their other 10, 10% random employees from mall. We have 12 participants in total. We have equal number in general. Now our teammate Charishma will continue.
User interface and system design. System functionalities. We have five functionalities: administrator login, homepage, gallery, museum, and services. Coming to the administrator login, admin should be able to log in with his or her credentials, and after the ad, and after the login, admin should be able to do the some operations like add, delete, and update the content on the museum website. Coming to the homepage should supposed to have website description and details menu for the home, museum, exhibition, gallery, and about us. Some content of the museum should be displayed in the home. Coming to the gallery, on clicking the gallery menu item, all the images available in the museum should be displayed. Each item in the gallery should be clickable to display in a pop-up with details. The gallery was divided into three categories: art gallery. Art gallery should display all the items in the art gallery. And next one is World War II. It should display all the items in the World War II. And next is animal section. It should display all the items in the animals. Museum page. Museum page will be providing three categories of the museum, which are art museums, the national, World War II, and the animals. Coming to the services. On services page, all the services should be displayed with images as articles. And next slide will be continued by Kiran.
Thank you. I'll be presenting you the UI evolution which we have in our application project, how we evolved from scratch to the modern application. And so this is a prototype which we used to work on in the beginning. After doing the guerrilla testing, we got to know that it's really old and unmodern, which we cannot proceed to present that. So what we have created is we took heuristic evaluation, and especially after the heuristic evaluation of the application, we made significant changes to the UI components, and we have took the decision that we have to change the complete template and interface of this application. So in each stage of testing, we have improved our UI and optimized backend code to be more better. So let me show our project demo here. So this is our source code. We are using Eclipse, and we are using JSP server pages, like Java server pages, to create our backend, and front end will be CSS and HTML. Once we run this application, we are using the Tomcat server to locally host this application. And this is our home page. Once the home page is loaded, you can see the animation here. So we have created a new interface, and with the new modern web elements, and that is for to, like, we are mainly focusing on the usability requirements, which are uh, usability, effectiveness, efficiency, and readability, learnability. So once you see here, all the modules are pretty easy to like find, and we have home module, service module, gallery module, museum module, administrative module right here. So just one click will be moving from one section to other section, and we have created a one-page loading system here. So you just need to scroll down to move from one section to other section. You can see see the services by just scrolling down, and we have created an article view for the services. You can see all the services provided by the museum here with the modern icons and artistic designs. And we do see here the animations. We have included the slideshows, which would be like targeting on the user attraction towards the website. And we have created a image animation. So once you
Yeah, you can see the animals page. We have created a good image gallery here, and the animations when you like pop in, when you mouse over on any content, you see this little gestures to attract the customer, to improve the user interface and user experience over the website. And you can see this, we have created good default texts, default values, so that the user will not have any confusion to input the values. And we have a fat footer which have all the details, links, and we do have design in a way that it should be very attractive. So administrative module is a different module, so it's a different entity for the, especially for the management. So we created a separate page for that, which is not including everything on the top, because it's a separate module. So we want to keep that way. So once you enter any data here, so this application will take cookies, and the passwords or whatever the data you enter will be keep tracking in the cookie. So once you log in, you will be able to see the form. This is the module of administration homepage, and he can be able to manipulate the data from here. I mean, like uploading the content and deleting the content. So if you already have any input in the input box, you can directly select it. So we have created this auto select feature here. Just want to like achieve the remembrance functionality from usability testing. So we do have created subnet and log out here. So once the person like admin is on the login page, we have created a back button to reach back to the application. So this is our project demo, and let me present you the test methodology which we have followed. So the test methodology in the beginning, in the initial stages, we followed guerrilla testing methodology. We have interacted with people with in Starbucks, coffee shops, McDonald's, like in the box, wherever we targeted. The participants were like 25 to 38 age years old, and who have no idea about the domain, personal opinions. in the beginning, they gave a lot of opinions which we inspired about, and which we got. We wanted to like create a modern application to develop and to satisfy them. And later, we have chosen contextual inquiry testing. So we have targeted uh, educated people who are working in a customer service domain. So our uh, participants are mostly 70% are from customer base, and we interviewed them before proceeding with the testing, and we got a lot of usability insights from them, and which we implemented and presented later in the slideshow. And the next slides will be presented by Vinay.
Yeah, thank you, Kiran. This is Vinay, and coming to usability test results, we have conducted 8 tasks and we found out mean values for users and compare with developer predicted time values. We also conducted these 8 tasks on 12 random persons who doesn't know anything about our website, and we found out average mean values and calculated differences from developer predicted mean value. Coming to the first task, that is finding services information. The mean value for users is 2.3, which is less than the developer predicted time, that is 4. Coming to viewing gallery, the mean value for users is 3.5, which is more than the developer predicted mean time, that is 3. In the same way, accessing an admin account contact information have more mean value than developer predicted mean value. Coming to contact form filling, viewing articles, uploading images form, social network sharing have lesser mean values than developer expected mean value. And if we go to the next slide, this is the slide where we gather the information of 12 random persons and we calculated the mean time. And if we go to the next slide, it is revisions from usability tests. Based on the error reported and time on task, we have made few improvements. We have developed the backend code to consume less time for loading the web pages and elements, and changing the web components in the web application. And in usability, we check assuming the product is learnable. For example, how long will it require for the clients to finish straightforward responsibilities, like whenever they first come into contact with it. We reduce the complexity for the user to use it in a easy manner. And in effectiveness, here we check how clients who definitely realize the item adapt to it, like how they are effectively using it. Does it tackle their concerns? Does the product arrangement convey genuine worth? We have removed those unnecessary content to make the user interaction more effective. And coming to memorability, whenever user takes a break from collaborating with this application, and how effective might clients at this point recall its activity, we get this data via completing ease of using testing. And mistake resistance, this boundary avoids the number of blunders like client experience while utilizing this application. Additionally, in the event that similar blunder repeats oftentimes, and how clients manages them. And the content, one of the helpful boundaries covered by ease of using testing is content. Guaranteeing that all the information handed off in this application is exact and modern, which is also imperative. From this application content, everything introduced to the client should be spot on. And that's where we have more concentrated on, and we made a big difference. That's it. Thank you.